The first step in putting together your presentation is creating a new document. With PowerPoint, you can quickly create a new document and begin editing it. You can also use PowerPoint to open an existing presentation. Once you open up the PowerPoint application, you'll be brought to this Start page. From the Start page, you'll notice that the interface is separated into two main parts. On the left-hand side, you'll find your recent documents. From here, you'll find presentations that you've recently edited or saved. At the top of the list, you'll have the ability to pin those presentations you'd like to access quickly. For example, if I want to go down over one of my presentations, you'll notice on the right-hand side that you have a thumbtack icon. Once you select this icon, your presentation will be pinned to the top of the list. Again, this will enable you to quickly access those presentations, open them, and start editing quickly. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll also find the option to open other presentations. This will open up your File Explorer, and you'll be able to quickly choose and open up your presentation from your computer. On the right-hand side, you'll find your Templates and Blank Presentation option. In the top left-hand corner, you can quickly search and find specific templates and themes. Just below, you'll find categories relating to those templates and themes. And on the Start page itself, you'll have the opportunity to access an array of different themes, and even pin those specific themes that you use often. Now, in order to create a new blank presentation, you'll notice in the top left-hand corner that you have the opportunity to select Blank Presentation. Once you open up a new presentation, you'll notice at the top of the interface, by default, your presentation will be labeled Presentation 1. If you'd like to create another blank presentation from an open presentation, you can also do that by going up to the top left-hand corner and choosing the File menu. From the File menu, if I go down to New, just below Info, you'll see that you're brought to the same interface from the Start page. So again, if I'd like to open up a new blank presentation, I can select that option. And you'll see once you open multiple new documents, those documents will be named in numerical values, starting with 1 and going upwards, depending on the number of presentations that you have open. Now, if you'd like to access and open an existing presentation, you'll again need to go to the File menu found in the top left-hand corner. From here, you can go down the left-hand side and choose Open. From the Open menu, on the left-hand side, you'll see any connected services you may have logged in depending on your Microsoft account. If you'd like to access a file that you've recently edited or used, you'll find those options on the right-hand side. Under Presentations, you can select presentations that you've recently edited or pin to your application. As previously seen, I had pinned a presentation to my Start page, and I'll find that same pinned presentation at the top of my pinned list. Now, if I'd like to access a document on my computer, I'll need to go down to the Browse option found in the bottom left. From here, my File Explorer will open up, and I'll need to choose the file location on my computer on the left-hand side. Once I've found the location and the folder in which I've saved my document, I can double-select my document to open it. Once I've opened up my document, I'll be able to verify my document name at the top of the list. Now, if I'd like to close this document, I can always select the X in the top right-hand corner. So now you've seen different ways on how to create and open existing documents within PowerPoint.